There are now 4 Apple Pencils available for you to choose from. If you're wondering which Apple Pencil goes with which iPad, I'm here to tell you all about it in this video. The important thing to know here is that no matter which iPad you choose from Apple's current lineup, there are 2 Apple Pencils available for you to choose from. In the current iPad lineup, there are 4 different iPads and 4 Apple Pencils. Let's take a look at the different Apple Pencils and how we can identify them. Up first, we have our first generation Apple Pencil. It is the longest Apple Pencil, and you will know it from its shiny exterior and metallic band around the end. It also has a removable charging cap with a lightning port for charging and pairing. Next, we have our second generation Apple Pencil. This one has a matte finish as well as one side that is flat. This is how it magnetically attaches to the iPad for charging and pairing. It also says Apple Pencil on the end. Up next, we have the brand new Apple Pencil Pro. This has the same look and feel on the outside as Gen 2, but it is completely different on the inside. The biggest visual difference you'll notice is that on the end, it says Apple Pencil Pro. And then finally, we have the Apple Pencil USB-C. This also has a matte finish with a flat edge, but the big difference here is it has this little end cap that slides out to reveal a USB-C port. This is how it connects to the iPad for pairing and charging. So like I said, for any of the iPads in the current lineup, there are 2 Apple Pencils that are compatible for each. So let's go down the line and we'll talk about what pencil is compatible with each of these iPads. For the iPads, we have the iPad mini 6th generation, the iPad 10th generation, the iPad Air M2, and the iPad Pro M4. Now there is one Apple Pencil that is compatible with all of these iPads, and that is the Apple Pencil USB-C. However, if you are a digital artist that works in Procreate or another art making app, this is not the Apple Pencil that I would recommend for making art on your iPad. And that's due to the fact that it does not have pressure sensitivity, which is something that's very important in the world of making digital art. So let's cover the other Apple Pencils. So for our little friend, the iPad mini, it's of course compatible with the USB-C Apple Pencil as well as the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, this one right here. The 2nd gen Apple Pencil connects magnetically to the side of the iPad, just like that. That's how it pairs and charges. And then we have our standard iPad 10th generation. This one has a USB-C port on the bottom, which is why it's compatible with the USB-C Apple Pencil, but it is also compatible with the 1st generation Apple Pencil. So this one connects into the USB-C port through its lightning port using an adapter. And then over on this side, we have the latest and greatest from Apple. These iPads were just announced, they're brand new. We have the iPad Air M2 and the iPad Pro M4. And these are both compatible with the brand new Apple Pencil Pro. Our iPad Air, of course, compatible with the USB-C iPad, but it's also compatible with the brand new Apple Pencil Pro, which I am, as an artist, so excited about. There's a lot of really amazing features. I just released a whole video going into detail about all the new features with this new Apple Pencil, so you have to check that one out. And then, of course, we have our flagship, top-of-the-line iPad Pro. This is compatible with our humble USB-C Apple Pencil, and of course, the Apple Pencil Pro. Again, so excited about this Apple Pencil. I hope that clears things up about which Apple Pencils are compatible with the different iPads. Just to restate, for each iPad in the lineup, there are 2 Apple Pencils available to you. And just so you're not confused, I made you a handy little chart. If you have any more questions about iPads or Apple Pencils, please let me know in the comments and I am happy to answer them in a future video. I'm currently making some more videos about Apple's latest announcement, the new iPad Air, iPad Pro, and Apple Pencil Pro, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, happy art making! Again, I'm Lisa Bardot and I help people find their creativity through drawing on the iPad. If you'd like to support what I do, you can check out my premium brush sets that inspire creativity at bardotbrush.com. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you should join Art Makers Club. Art Makers Club is a joy-filled creative community and learning hub for digital art makers. We have a growing library of in-depth courses, live virtual events and tutorials, a wonderful community of supportive artists, free Procreate brushes, and so much more. Come join us in the club. Learn more at artmakersclub.com. If you like this video, please subscribe for more awesome tutorials and check out one of my other videos. Thanks and have a great day.